Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I've been on a mission to get my little boys to drink more water. So we recently discovered Stur Water Enhancer, and we are obsessed. This is the coconut pineapple flavor. We've tried every single one. This is my boys' #1 pick. So I chose this water enhancer over other ones for a few reasons. I like that this is liquid and not powder. It's less messy. It's easier for my boys to mix independently. I also really like that they use stevia as the sweetener as opposed to other artificial sweeteners. I think stevia is the healthiest option and it doesn't damage their teeth. That is a major bonus for us in this family. This has vitamin C, none of the other ingredients scare me, so I feel like it's a great healthy alternative to juice, soda, and it gets them drinking more water. Not only do they love it, but my husband and I love it as well. So if you want to up your water game, you should check it out. And that's my point of view.